What's up, gang? We back. We back. We still sliding. We do have one little slow leak on one. Real slow might take 2 weeks to get down to noticeable. But I'm gonna get that straight. But oh yeah, my camera was sideways recording. I don't know why. So I'm gonna try to get a look at it. It's kind of dirty now. You know what I'm saying? Got the new mats in. You can see it a little better. You know, just a quick overview. You know what I'm saying? So we still doing little stuff. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why it shows sideways, man. That's a little too much, man. Ooh, clean it up too. That's what I'm doing. I have to clean it up. But you know, we at the location. Giving y'all an update. SS update. Had to get my brother in, but he's scared to be on camera, so he can check it out. You know what I'm saying? In person. You know, first of all, what we're gonna do, let me show you these winter tires. You wanna go off road, so yeah. Give y'all a little update. See how you doing? Still, y'all remember I did this about 2 years ago. I don't want him to say nothing. Don't say nothing. There you go. Cause I felt it coming. So not right now. Camera's on. You know what I'm saying? Don't choke me out now.
Flying out. Fuck out me up. Get him off me. Get him off me.
No, he gonna steal it. No, don't do me like that. You know what I'm saying? He still got it looking like this. Still, I ain't gonna lie. It do look better with the molding off. Even though I was too janky to pull it all off though. But what we finna do? What we finna do? We finna cut the roof off this one and swap roofs on the Magnums. So I have a sunroof and he ain't gotta worry about leaking. So, you know I'm talking trash though, y'all. Hey man, how y'all think those look on the SF, bro?
What?
How y'all think those look on the SF? He telling me to go with them. I kind of like them though in brush, even black if I painted the car black. But you know, we about to go take a stroll around here and look at it though. Ooh. Well, yeah, everybody ain't trying to beat the block down in Lincoln, man. Yeah. Uh-oh. He got a key. He got to fill up one of them trunks. Ooh. See, you know what I'm saying? It's it right here, man. It's this update. Oh, man. What the stuff at for the frame? I gotta get that put on. Hey, we ain't doing all that. Ooh, and it's smooth too. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. SS. I just came from out here, so you know. Gotta put another battery in here though. Cause I don't like that. I think it's the connection, but I ain't gonna let y'all see my whole dad. Ain't nothing special about it though. But yeah. Let's hit a little gas. I probably need to go slide this bitch to the gas. Won't be doing that no more. Already on gas, but I gotta get this footage for y'all, man. Y'all be saying car just be sitting and stuff. Y'all hear it. Yeah, fans. But yeah. Out here, let's go take a stroll around to the other side, man. Let's look at it. Can't wait to put my caps on. Gotta clean it first. Real on and shit. I missed that back in the day when I had my round bottom. My breathing was spitting water, bro. No oil in that motherfucker, just water, boy. Water, boy. No gas. All water. So we about there. Where we at? We about at 8 minutes. Yeah. Getting some content for y'all, letting y'all hear run, man. All this and that, third, man. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to get out this video. Kind of like. I hope this video don't end up sideways because I'm letting it hang like this. Oh, I gotta change this side myself. I already know I did said I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I gotta change this side myself. Lock it up. Okay. Yes, sir, bro. We're gonna take that stroll. Yeah, we zayed up, man. What going on, man?
That shit be fucked up.
What he did, man?
What you did?
Huh?
What you did, man?
Oh, no, me? I just went around there and got some footage. Hey, y'all, we about to end the video in about 3 seconds. I got my 10 minutes out of y'all, man. Hey, y'all stay safe, man. I'm about to disclose my brother that they want to be seen. Vacay, we how you did, B.